Silly Willy Apple Cake. Mia and her daughter Bella go apple picking at a farm. Bella loves to be silly. She laughs as she balances an apple on her arm and asks, "What can we make?" Mama says, "An apple cake." So home they go to mix and bake, and soon they are eating an apple cake, a Silly Willy apple cake. Oh, what fun they have in the kitchen, and while they wait for the cake to bake, they play a rhyming game. This children's series is designed to foster love within families by promoting fun activities with parent and child, like cooking and baking a cake. It also introduces rhyming. Rhyming is not only fun, but also improves memory and promotes learning. Infants and very young children will love hearing parents and teachers read this delightful story as they enjoy the fun rhyming words. Older children will love reading the story over and over again as they enjoy the humor and try to guess what rhyming words will come next. If you love this book, you'll be happy to know there are more in the series, including Squishy Wishy Meatballs and Snowflakes with Sugar. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Silly Willy Apple Cake, Book 1 in the Bella and Mia Adventure series, written by Amelia Griggs and illustrated by Winda Malyasari. Available online at Amazon.com and lots of other online bookstores. Also available in local Bucks County, Pennsylvania in local bookshops.